our wheels with the rubber put on. So, and water bottle holder, bottom bracket, brakes, brake cables, seat, cassette, chain, shifter, pedals, grips, handlebar, and that's about it for what we got here.
Do you like your new bike?
Yeah.
Do you like the paint?
Yeah.
Now it's time to start reassembling. We'll put the suspension back together, lubricate everything, reassemble now that the fork is painted. And then we'll also try to reuse that chain ring there. We'll see what we can do. Might be tough to disassemble that because those bolts have been there for 20 years, but if so, we're just going to convert from a 3-to-1 system. So the suspension has been reassembled. Now I have to press those cups into the frame and then put the bearings and put the suspension so that we can have it all back into place. I don't have a proper tool to press, but I'm going to improvise with this rod and some nuts and washers. Hopefully that's going to be enough for pressing the cups into the frame, and then I'm going to lubricate the bearings and then put the suspension back into place. So the suspension is back in place. I put the new stem just temporarily because I noted that the old stem was much larger. So the new stem is much smaller. So I need more spacers. So I might need to get probably like maybe 5 millimeters of spacers to be able to put this back into position permanently.
Put the cassette, we put our water bottle holders, our seat, and our front brakes.
You started on the front brakes, right, Nick?
Yep.
How does it feel?
It feels
You
good.
like it? Where it's going?
No handlebars.
Not yet. Soon.
So now we're gonna put our handlebar in, put the brakes, finish the brakes, put the
Shifter.
shifter in, we're gonna put the grips in, We're gonna put in these carbon fiber spacers instead of these aluminum ones. So let's get to it. We're almost finished building this. We put in the derailleur here. The front brakes are installed. We have the shifter. And now we're gonna have a little touch, makes it look cool, with this little thing. You can't see it. This is what it looks like.
Okay, let's put a detail here. Now, on the rear brake. Right here. Come from the other side. There we go. get a new chain too. This one is complete garbage. It wasn't working.
We're gonna put the chain on now. So let's do this.
That's good. Apertar aqui. Pode apertar. Aperta ele bem forte. Aperta. Forte. Deixa eu mostrar. Vendo? We got a chain. See?
Now let's add the pedals. Now I'm gonna put in our pedals. Got it.
Yep, go. Okay. No, this way.
Yep.
No. Let me help you here. Come on this side.
You?
Now you gotta take the other side. And then very, very well.
Very, very, very. Spin the wheel like this and wow. Okay, so now can I get on the bike?
One more thing.
I feel like it's rideable.
It is, but we gotta put the chain guide.
What's that chain?
We couldn't find a narrow wide chain ring, so because of that we have to put a chain guide. What are you gonna do with those?
Gonna put them right.
Now the other, agora o outro. And with this,
It's done.
it's ready. Good job.
Ready?